Kid Cudi, Pursuit of Happiness. Push a pill, little pill, roll it up, take a hit. Feeling lit, I'm feeling like 2 a.m. summer night. I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'll do my thing. Rolling the mirror side and out, living my life, living my dreams. People told me so my road, I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back. If I fall, if I die, I live my life to the fullest. If I fall, if I die, I know that I'm gonna miss some bullets, yeah. But I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shines ain't always gonna be golden. But I'll be fine once I get it in. Yeah, I'll be good. So tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about them night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats waking up to the sky. Tell me what you know about dreams, dreams. Tell me what you know about night terrors, nothing. You don't even care about the trials of tomorrow. Rather lay awake in a bath full of sorrow. But I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shines ain't always gonna be golden. But I'll be fine once I get it in. Yeah, I'll be good. Thanks a million.